Maaliif duuba isaatii kanaan ka jaarsan barbaanne?
So how
You
long you been on
understand?
here?
You.
Where you from?
I'm from Oromia,
From where?
Ethiopian Oromia.
Colombia?
لا إله إلا Oromia, West Ethiopia, Oromia, West Ethiopia.
Oh.
West
Oh, okay.
Oromia country is it in Ethiopia.
Oh, really?
Is beautiful woman, is very nice, is Oromia.
Yeah.
Yes. Lakin I'm very black man from in Ethiopian Oromia.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay.
Yes, I'm Oromo people. My
Ah,
yes, my power. You
I,
understand now?
yes, I think so.
Yes.
I think
I
I
want
love your
to.
I love your
I'm
outfit.
yes, yes. I want to woman. I want to woman wedding.
Oh, you went to a
Yes.
wedding. Okay, cool. That's great.
You. How old are you?
42.
42.
42, yes.
You have speaking English is very Minnesota. I'm speaking English is African is very dangerous. Like 42 years old. You have children?
No. How old are
You
you?
have husband?
No, how old are you?
How do you how do you man? How do you? What is how do
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, how
How do
old
you?
are you?
Yes, old are you? I'm 30 years old. 30K. 30K
Ah,
years old.
you're 30 years old, really?
It's too much. About it. Infinite Oromo.
Oh, okay.
It's 30.
How long you
I have 30K years old. Is too much or no?
you
Didn't hear?
30K years old?
Yes, I want a wedding woman.
Oh. Okay. Okay,
You
all
want
right.
to? Yes, Allah, Allah. Yeah, dear, get to Allah. Yeah. You want to husband?
No.
Maji if the do basati kana ka jar sambar pan.